Hello, ninth grade friends. This is Miss Stapp with an overview of this week's lesson plans. As you can see, it is week March 23rd through the 30th. I've already received some questions about the lesson plans for the week, so I thought I'd create this little video and hopefully share it with everybody because I'm sure some of your fellow students have the same questions that you do. So as you see at the top, we are going to start chronicling or journaling our time here and our experience with this COVID virus. So every day from the document provided, choose one of those prompts to write about. This week, the prompt that we will ask you to turn in is creating a soundtrack for the quarantine, where you choose several songs. And then from that list, take 2 songs and explain to us why you picked them. For the other days of the week, you can choose different prompts. That list that was provided has lots of interesting things. Feel free to annotate your journal as you go along, as you think of new and interesting things, and add art and pictures. At the bottom of the page, you see some examples of how you can make this chronicle book. So scroll on down, and you see that we are working on The Great Gatsby. By now you have the book, and you're ready to begin reading. I would like you to start reading chapter 1, and these are the things that you should notice or consider as you read. Our narrator, is he reliable? Notice money, class, and wealth. You'll be able to meet several of our key characters, and we'll talk about them more in a little bit. And remember again that our narrator, Nick, is providing us this story through memory. Is he reliable? How true to the reality do you think his rendition is? As you scroll down, we see step 2. Step 2 is to go to Common Lit, and I've provided you here with an, what is this? With a link. I'm not great at this, guys. Just hang in there. I've provided you with the link below, and if that link is not, you can't get to Common Lit, just do a Google search and look for Common Lit. Then you're going to want to enroll as a student. Set up your register and set up your account, and you're going to look for 9th grade language and literature, my class. You're going to log on with KZD4KH. If you have any problems with that, please contact me and we will work it out together. Good. Once you've registered, you're going to go ahead and read the Roaring Twenties, and there's some guided questions on your assignment. Next is a Chapter 1 review and discussion question. So you've read Chapter 1, and you've read the Roaring Twenties, and you're all ready for our group discussion on Thursday. Prepare by filling out these review questions about those 2 writings. Step 4. I provided you with a document of 5 of the major characters, and it's kind of fun. You see the character in the middle, and there are questions in the bubbles around the outside, and you will just fill in the questions. Often it will ask you for examples from the text, so you should have your book right there with you and be going back and forth, explaining, using text to support your answers to that character analysis worksheet. Scrolling down, let's take a little break and watch a video. I love John Green's video, and he does The Great Gatsby in 2 parts. Watch part 1, it's 12 minutes long, and he goes so fast and is so funny. I want to catch all his jokes, so you may watch it several times if you need. Then we've got step 6, analyze the imagery. So I provided you with a little video that reviews what imagery is, and then when you go to the worksheet, you're going to see a page from the book. It's page 7, and you're going to be asked to annotate by underlining and answering some questions on the left-hand side. You can answer these questions anywhere on the paper. If you want to type this out, you can definitely print a document in Word and label it with the different questions and hand it in that way. Step 7. claim support question. So this is another worksheet that I have provided you with. I am going to provide you with an exemplar of what this should look like. It's Monday morning at about 10 o'clock. I should have that up for you in a couple hours. So if you shouldn't be all the way on step 7 by Monday midday, but if you happen to be there, just look later on today, Monday afternoon, for that exemplar so you can make sure that you are filling out that worksheet appropriately. When you scroll